Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to English class today with me, Miss Nadia. Thank you. Oh, are you guys ready to learn something fun? To learn something new? Okay, how are you guys feeling today? Oh, you are so excited. I hope you excited from the beginning until the end of our class today. So today we will learn about fun with farm animals. Okay, let's learn. Look at the picture. What is this? Good job. It is farm animals. Repeat after me. Farm animals. Farm animals. Good job. As you can see here in the picture, there are many animals. So today we will learn about farm animals and we will get to know what is farm animals, what are there, and what does their sound, what does they sound. Okay, so now listen and repeat. Horse, horse. What is the horse sound? The horse sound is neigh. The horse sound is neigh. Good job. Next, repeat after me. Cow, cow. What is the cow sound? The cow sound is moo. The cow sound is moo. Great. Next, repeat after me. Sheep, sheep. What is the sheep sound? The sheep sound ba. The sheep sound ba. Good job. Next, chicken, chicken. What is the chicken sound? What is the chicken sound? The chicken sound cook-a-doodle-doo. The chicken sound cook-a-doodle-doo. Good job. Repeat after me. Pig, pig. What is the pig sound? What is the pig sound? Great. The pig sound oink oink. The pig sound oink oink. Okay, for the last one, repeat after me. Duck, duck. What is the duck sound? What is the duck sound? The duck sound is quack, quack. The duck sound is quack, quack. Good job. So there are the name of the animals and what does it sound. Look at the picture here. Where is the horse? Where is the horse? Can you tell me where is the horse? Good job. The horse is in the barn. The horse is in the barn. Can you tell me where is the pig? Where is the pig? Correct. The pig is in the mud. The pig is in the mud. Look at the picture. Where is the duck? Where is the duck? The duck is in the bucket. The duck is in the bucket. Can you tell me where is the cow? Correct. The cow is in the field. Oh, can you tell me where is the sheep? Correct. The sheep is in the field. And last one. Can you tell me where is the chicken? Correct. The chicken is in the field. Good job for all of you guys. So now, after you learn all the animals about the farm animals, let's doing a playtime. It's time to play. So all you need to do is look at the picture and mention what animals is this. I will count 5 until 1. You need to answer. You need to mention the animals 5 in 5 seconds. Okay? Are you ready? Good spirit. Okay, let's start. Good job. It is a horse. Okay, next. What is this? Cow. Correct. It is a cow. What is this? Duck. Correct. It is a duck. What is this? 4, 3, 2. A chicken. Correct. It is a chicken. What is this? 5, 4, 3, 2. A sheep. Correct. It is a sheep. Good job. And for the last one, what is the animals that sound quack quack? Quack quack. Good job. It is a duck. Great job, all of you. So I think you, good job, all of you. So I think all of you have learned new things about farm animals. I think all of you are understand about the farm animals. You can mention the animals. You can mention how does it sounds. What is the sound of the animals, and then you can show me how is the animal sounds. Good job, all of you. Unfortunately, it is the end of our class today. So hopefully, the material that I delivered today is beneficial for you. It is really fun to having a class with you guys. Thank you. So we're gonna meet in the next class, in the next meeting. So, and then I'm sorry for the mistakes that I made today. Don't don't forget to study well at home, and then have and then don't forget to review our material today. So I think that's the end for the meeting. Thank you for your time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.